الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة آل عمران أم حسبتم أن تدخلوا الجنة ولما يعلم الله الذين جاهدوا منكم ويعلم الصابرين. Translation: Or do you think that you would enter Jannah paradise while Allah has not tested to make evident those of you who struggled fighting jihad in His way and make them evident who remain steadfast with patience? No one can enter in Jannah, in paradise, by only claiming from their tongues that we want to go in Jannah. Everyone has to prove that they want to go in Jannah by following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that what things we must do and what things we must not do. And the struggle in the path of Allah is one of the most important things to do to get successful. And in the battle of Uhud, when the time was difficult for Muslims and Allah tested them, and they passed, those Muslims who had the true Iman passed all the tests. 70 of them lost their lives and became the martyrs of Islam, and they were the successful people. The rest of the Muslims that lived after that battle, their Iman had increased and their ranks were raised further. So whoever wants to go in the paradise, they must be ready to pass the trials that come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is letting us know in this ayah that every one of us will be tested in one form or other. And if we don't even understand that something is a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how would we pass it? So we must be thinking all the time that whatever is happening around us, if this is a test from Allah, and when we find that this is the test of Allah and our heart knows that this is the test of Allah, we must try our best to pass that test. One important thing to understand, that passing all the trials and tests that come from Allah is important, but one must not pray to be tested. One must not pray to be getting trials from Allah. We should always pray that, oh Allah, don't test us, don't give us hard trials, because there is a possibility that we may fail the test and we may not be successful in the hard trials. So let's keep praying to Allah that Allah give us steadfastness on Islam and give us patience and give us only those trials that you know in your absolute knowledge that we will pass. Do not give us trials that in your absolute knowledge you know that we may fail. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and make us steadfast on the path of Allah. Ameen.